review. Today's wig is Playa. Actually, just Playa. But she is a Vivica A. Fox wig from the Vivica A. Fox hair collection, sent to me from So Good Shop. She has this beautiful Swiss lace going on, some baby hairs, some combs at the top right by the part, and also at the nape, and an adjustable strap. The cap is kind of special. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it this time, because I didn't usually talk about the cap, but I'm going to talk about the cap, tell you guys a little bit about it. This cap is actually a bio cap, has bio cap technology, and it is engineered for long-lasting freshness in the wig caps. So that is different, okay? The color that I have today is STT1B/GR2, and I will list it all in the down in the description box. Woo, cannot talk. For you guys, but as you can see on the back here, it tells you all about the BioCap technology. Really cool. It has odor control, quick dry, antibacterial effect. That's different. Moisture and air control. So you know, we're gonna see what it do. But we're gonna put this wig cap on my head, you guys. Off the break, I do not like my makeup, so please forgive me. I was rushing and I didn't put on lashes, so the look doesn't look like the look. And I don't know what I was thinking doing my makeup in the dark, because my face is red and I look hella like a cartoon. I don't even know what's going on. But we're gonna move right past that and just show you guys the wig. So hopefully, guys, you can look past that. But yeah, so the wig that we're putting on today, like I said, comes with this Swiss lace, and I didn't put the adjustable strap on or anything like that. It was pretty snug. Let me just tell you right now, it is snug for my medium-sized head ladies, or big head friendly ladies, or big head friendly hair wig needing ladies. What is wrong with me? That might be an issue for you. It is very snug, but it didn't really bother me too much. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm not doing the baby hairs. You already know. I'm not doing the baby hairs only because this is a full wig cap, almost. And you really don't need to do that unless you plan on wearing it like this as a middle part. It's really big and full and flowy. Ooh, I liked it a lot, as you can see. I don't know if I like this color like for every day. Definitely not every day. Whoa, what's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, sorry, back to reality. Now, rubbing off some of this makeup because it really was bothering me and messing with the look. But the fun part about this wig is you don't have to do the baby hairs because it comes with bangs. Yes, that is how it is originally advertised on the stock card and online, with the bangs, and that's what drew me to the wig. I really, really liked that it had bangs. So yeah, and once I put the bangs down, I really liked it. And you know, me and the kids did not go out for Halloween this year, but I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, I could have been like something cute, you know? And with my makeup like this, I could have been a clown, a cute clown. No, but this wig is so cute. I really, really like it. It's flowy. It's very light. Besides being snug, it's very, very light. So I like it. I will show you guys the back because you know you guys really like that. Back action. All right, you guys, this fun video has come to an end. I will list down in the description all of the specs on this wig and where you can get it. So good shop. But don't forget to look and watch for another video, okay? You know you want to. Don't forget to subscribe so you can tune into all of my fun videos. I love you guys so much. Stay low.